we are staying at Park Soleil Hilton Resort. Of course, we flew in to Orlando, and so we don't have a car. We need some stuff for our cruise, we need some stuff for our hotel. So what's the easiest way to do that? We put in an order for Instacart, and we're having it delivered to our hotel right now. Our shopping person is already done with our order and is on her way here. So we're gonna head down to the lobby and pick up our stuff. Hey guys, so we went downstairs, we met Stephanie, our lovely shopper. She handed us our items that we had purchased. We didn't record it because we didn't want to get her on video, but we grabbed our stuff, we came back up to the room, and we'll just show you. We just ordered 4 12 packs for us to take on our back-to-back cruise, and a 2-liter of soda for us to drink while we're here in our hotel room. So it's just easy like that. If you need to order some extra things, you don't have a vehicle, Instacart, Walmart, any of those options, you can put it in an order and have it delivered right to the hotel. So that's a cruise tip for sure.